Hey guys, Sidmaker here, back at it again. As you see, I'm at the fort. There's a little smoke. You might guess, yes, I am actually finally doing a fire. Now I have made some upgrades off camera that you guys have not seen, but I guess it's time to show you guys, isn't it? We have our nice fire going here. Let's put the pot, not the pot, grate on top. Just sit it on top. And then also, I have these books to burn because these are from my school. Oh no, table broke a little bit. It's a really old table. I really need to make a new one. But, you know, we've got our bed's still in pretty good shape. We got a little bit of kindling here. We just kept it here to keep it dry. Table, we've got, so you see, we've got the grate set up. Then we also have this, which I think you guys seen, but still, I'm gonna elaborate on it a little bit more. So this is our old Christmas tree. This actually keeps water out, actually watertight. This stuff, it's really nice. And then this wall I have tied up, so it's a little, so, wait, I'm kicking that, that's not moving. So I'll try it going, like I said earlier. I'm using this grill just to keep my kindling dry, because it's so hard, I'm in Michigan. And this is time of the coronavirus, so I just kind of, you know, it's just kind of sad and everything. So I want to chill out here, think on some thoughts. We've got our nice Kindle pile over there too. Got a lot of kindling. I had a fire stand thing there, but you know that kind of broke. But yeah, it's kind of the updates. And like I said, I have said this. I will show you today, but I can't do it with the fire there right now. But this comes down as a wall, and I'm going to show you this. So when this comes down, imagine this on the vertical. So like this, I put my gun through it and I just shoot at targets over there. You know, whatever the target is. A piece of cardboard, some ice, or something, you know? So yeah, this has just been an update today, and I'll show you guys. So I just put this on about 2 minutes ago. It's already making steam. So is this. Can't really tell, but let's see if we can get it to boil. Let the fire die down just a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks like it. Oh, did it go past the boiling point? I don't know. Let's keep it open and see. So we'll see in a little bit. To me that looks pretty good though. Oh yeah, that's hot. How do you test if it's past the boiling point without using a thermometer? Like, how would you do that? Oh. I don't know what to do. Let's see. Do I got anything around here? Bird sounds nice. It's just not. They're like. I don't think I've got anything to test that. Oh, let's do something really smart. Oh yeah, that's really hot. Ooh, that's hot. That is super hot. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Actually, it's starting to boil. Never mind. You guys see that? It's gonna boil here in a second. I'll put the cap on just so it can make it easier on itself. But that's a really hot fire. I could legit cook this something on this right now. Once you get your coals to white coals, that's when you know. See, that's not just like the paint that's rusting off. That's actual. That's the ashes. Once you get to white ashes, that's when you know you got a good fire going. Guys, you know, well, that the coronavirus is going around. You know, everything is cutting down. School closing down too. I want to see what's happening for you guys. What time are you guys getting back to school? What are you doing in your meantime? Are you in an online school, or do you just have like a giant packet to do, or what are you guys doing in the meantime? As you guys see, in my meantime, I'm doing a fire and stuff and making a fort. And you know, that's what I'm doing. I want to see what you guys are doing. And, I also hope that everybody stays well and everything. So, let's see what... I just want to see what you guys are doing. Also, you guys might like the sweatshirt. It's actually a church shirt. You guys should actually try to get one of these at Life Church. You could come to Life Church Canton to get one. I think other Life Churches have one here. But on Haggerty Road, it is actually a really nice place. You guys should go sometime. Now, I just want to let you know that you guys can go to church. And, let's check on that water again. Oh, yeah, that's bubbling. Woo, that is boiling. Oh, where's the ice? There's like a little bit of ice on it. I need to find some. Oh, here's a little bit. Oh. Here's a little bit of ice. Let's see what happens when you put it in the boiling water. You know, it's obviously gonna melt. I want to see if it sizzles. Yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty good though. I just got past the boiling point. I mean, yeah. Obviously, I did well. And, comment down below if you guys will try this at your house. If you can. Maybe you guys actually can, I want to see if you did. You guys should try it yourself. Because, school's off. You got time to do it. You don't have to build this entire thing, That took me a while. But, you can try to build this little, just get like a old, very big popcorn thing. Get permission for your parents first, that's a big thing. And then you can, make this. Let me get my pot holder real quick. I made this because my actual handle broke off because, it got too hot. That's weird. I don't know why I did that, but it did. Should actually just go like this. And let's see the sounds it makes on the mud. Not really anything, but that's boiling hot water for you guys. There we go. That was pretty fun. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta show you that thing coming down. Let's see what you guys set up to see that. So, let's see. Show you guys what I mean. You just take these stakes, fold them up, roll it down. No, it's gonna hit that. Dang it. Okay. Whoa. As you guys see, comes down like this. Take this. Oh. See this? I've got this little rod here. This little spike. I close it up all just like this. And then, so nobody can open it, jam that in the ground. Just like that. So that way, nobody else can get in here. See? Like, oh no, they're gonna think it doesn't come out. So, that works. And then I'm gonna grab my other stuff. But yeah, these school books, not sponsored. If they want to, you guys can sponsor me. Okay. Anyways. Yeah. So that's how that works. And then I could get in here, but these spikes are kind of in the way. So you kind of don't want to go in there. Just like that. And now, just closed up. So I'll let that cool and and we're good to go. Yeah. Hope you guys like the update.